high, but there's always this week in September where it gets like obscenely hot. Like it's 6:14 and it's still like 95 degrees outside. It gets blazing hot, then all of a sudden, and it's fall. I can't wait for fall. I got some big stuff coming in fall. Oh, hey guys. Oh, so welcome back, guys. I have been super busy over the last couple weeks. Let me get you guys caught up. I'm gonna go get gas in the wagon because it's been sitting for a little bit and I need to get some gas in it. So while I was gone, I got engaged. Got engaged here down in Austin, Texas, down at Brand Corn Raceway. So huge shout out to all those guys for everything they did and let me do that there. And it was a good experience. And we're super excited. Set a short date, so we got to hurry up and get things planned. So that's been kind of a rush. So I really hadn't had a chance to sit down, do videos, vlog, work on any cars. And my race got canceled because of rain and weather, hurricanes being what they are. So I'm back though. The builds kind of go through seasons like any car does. The wagon's gone through many different seasons. When I bought it, it was very stock, very nice, and I really liked it. I didn't know what direction I want to go to it, so I kind of turned it into a little more stock, took the old top hats off, and I decided I'm going to lift it. So I lifted it. I did the junkyard lift, followed Young Static's build 3 years ago when he originally posted that video. He inspired me to lift mine. Ben Huffman at HRG Engineering built this whole kit just for Civic Wagon guys. That's the next direction I'm going with. I know I've talked about it in the past, but the sun is literally and figuratively setting on this build of the wagon. This build of the wagon has got me very far on YouTube, and I couldn't be more excited to say that this thing right there in that state helped me get my channel to where it is right now. And I can't state how happy I am with the way that turned out. Wagon 3.0 build will start very, very soon. I'm waiting on 1 or 2 more parts, and then I gotta order some OEM stuff to replace broken stuff and some worn out stuff. Wagon 3.0 starts very, very soon. I want to say in November. Real moment, I'm getting married November 30th. I've got a lot of things going on. I've got to focus on a few things before the wedding, obviously, the planning and getting everything set up. One aspect that I want to get into, working on me, getting myself in the best shape of my life. So that's going to be part of my new vlog too, is a little bit of self-prep for the wedding and trying to get myself in the best shape of my life for the wedding and for the memory and just for the future, because I need to get that anyway. Anyway, back to. So with Wagon 3.0, it's going to go up higher. Whole new front bumper system, whole new rear bumper system. The motor's gonna get pulled out, rebuilt completely. Halfway through season 3 of the wagon, Wagon 3.0, whatever you wanna call it, it's gonna be turboed as well. I've got almost all the stuff to turbo it. I'm gonna go ahead and tear the motor down and rebuild everything and make sure it's ready for turbo, can hold a little bit of boost. Be looking for that. I'm excited and sad, but you gotta remember that change is necessary. I'm taking a second to reflect on this wagon in its current state, because how significant is because of how significant that wagon's been to me and the channel. So if you have a car right now, don't think about the future so much. Don't worry about, well, I gotta do this, or I gotta do this before we finish, or I gotta turbo it, or I gotta make it this. Take it out, enjoy it for what it is, and think about what it is right now and what it was maybe a year ago, maybe 2 years ago, I don't know, maybe 5 years ago. I've got a whole list of videos to do this week, so I'm gonna get to that. I just want to start off this video by just appreciating the wagon, appreciating what it's done, and I've been very fortunate to have this in my life and to be able to do this. Thank you. Thank you all. Thank you all the new subscribers, all the old subscribers. I want to sit here and watch the sunset with the wagon. This is going to be one of the last outings with the wagon, and one of the last outings you'll see the wagon in that state. I cannot tell you how nice it is to have this thing properly aligned. Oh man, can you see the sun? Oh, that sun was like blood red. That was awesome. I don't know if you can see it all on camera, but it looked really cool. Well, I'm finishing off my unhealthy eating with a little bit of Sonic. So, sending it off with a bang. I tried to do this last week, failed. Kind of got in my own mind. There'll be a video about that. So quick note about that, tomorrow's video will be about mental health. So if you don't really care about that, if you're more of my car stuff, skip tomorrow's video. Not a big deal, nothing to worry about, I just want to speak my mind a little bit about it. So look out for that video tomorrow if you want to. If you want to look at car stuff, wait till the next day's video. It's not about mental health. Anyway, one more pig out, then I'm done until after the wedding. Well, the wagon downtown will start here in a little bit. I can't really stand taking it down to where I can't drive it because I love driving that thing. When I want to drive it, I just want to be able to throw the keys in it, whip it up, take off. But unfortunately, this next build is going to take a little bit of time. How long? A month or two. Hopefully that's the only downtime I have. We'll see. I'll try to plan it the best I can so I can get the content out and I don't have to have a whole lot of downtime in between. But anyway, guys, thank you for all the support, being there for the engagement, the ones that reach out and say congratulations. That means a lot to me. If you don't care about that stuff, that's fine too. I don't blame you. I mean, most of you guys subscribe for a car channel, not just me. You know, I vlog. I'm gonna try to do a little bit more daily stuff, kind of crank out some videos. On a not really related note, I wanted to have a quick real moment here. Not too real, but real enough. I've been getting a lot of flack lately from some of my old Honda friends about Fiesta. I get it. At the core of me, I'm still a Honda guy, and I always will be, but right now, the Fiesta is what I need to get me closer to my dreams. So that's why I'm in it. That's why I've been in it so much. And have patience. I know the summertime has been very Fiesta oriented, but the winter is coming soon, fast approaches, and there'll be very much wagon and very much element stuff. So Honda content is coming right back, guys, I promise. And respect the hustle, respect the process, and know that I'm coming back. So I'll see you guys soon.